Our fans just came in. I think this is the one.
We did not have all these hole stops whenever we bought this van secondhand. The Fallon's going to be patching those, so whenever we do cut through the walls, the shavings will not fall into those little holes.
We're using aluminum tape, by the way.
There they are. Oh, this is scary.
Alright.
Everything takes longer than expected. Ow. All right, let's do it. It's fun. It's definitely fun. There it is. Look at that. It's all cut. We're gonna see if it fits, see if we need to do any adjustments. File, do the primer, paint, and put her on. Woo! This is actually pretty sharp. If you have a tiny vacuum, get that. Oh no! Doesn't fit. Yeah, I'm gonna need to cut some more. I really can't mess up. There's like a lot of forgiveness. I should have gotta go a tiny bit wider. So we have one hole done, got to file it, prime it, paint it, then put the flange on. And back here, we're about to start round 2. We have our centerpiece here. We're gonna make our pilot holes bigger. And we're gonna draw it out, do our jigsaw, get this one going. Putting on the primer in our first hole, and our second one's about to go down. Just kind of crazy that this is the most expensive purchase we've ever made, and we're putting 2 holes in it. Safety first. Solid. Need another blade. Locked and loaded. New blade. Nice and straight. All right, babe. Last cut of the roof. Oh, that one is flush. Very nice. That one was not so flush. What?
He said there must be ducks in the van.
Are you tooting? Got our buddy Jerry hanging out today.
Hey, Jerry.
I forget what this is called.
We're putting on the butyl tape.
Oh right, butyl tape before the flange. And then we're gonna load it up with some adhesive. Valley is having metal clamps to the side, but then also, apparently before we screw it down, we need to see if the fan sits in there.
What way does the fan go?
That's a good question. The fan,
Yeah.
I think it goes this way. Let's see.
Well, it needs to be open. She said that it needs. Oh, open.
There it goes. Nice. Should you just twist it?
And then
Oh yeah, another thing we need to make sure the wires go through.
take the wires out. Whoops. think it fits on top.
Oh no!
Was that your beer?
That's my beer. It's gonna be sticky, sticky, sticky. You want the other drill?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Yeah.
These guys on the side are a pain in the ass, for sure. As you can see, it is getting dark. So one shark fin, two shark fins. We got one way back there. We got another one right here. We did run out of caulk, so we're gonna be buying some more of that tomorrow morning. It's pretty dark last night, so I did leave out a few cracks. I'm really proud of the work we did today. No prior experience cutting holes in a van. It was honestly probably one of the scariest things I've ever done, just because, I mean, this is the most expensive purchase we've ever made. And here we go, blowing 2 holes through the roof. And then tomorrow, we're gonna blow another one right here and another one over there for our windows. So here's to that. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
We are going to put together our Maxxair fan right now. What I'm doing at the moment is stripping my wire. Anyway, so this sheeting should come off. Our red and our black. We don't need very much, just as much as this is.
We got a tiny little bit of wire exposed, so we're going to be connecting those with what came in the Maxxair fan kit.
So I'm using my 14 AUG side. Just gonna make a little bit. I should be able to get that off. I'll do the same with the other side. So the Maxxair fans come with spade connectors. One is a female side and one is a male side. The female side's the one that like curls up on both sides. Anyway, and one side's gonna go on your Maxxair fan, the other side's gonna go on your actual wire. I just stuck my piece of wire into this hole, and you should be able to see just the little strands coming out from this side. Then I'm gonna take my wire crimpers. Obviously I don't want to crimp over the top. Press down. Give it a good little tug to see if I actually got it, which I did. It's not coming off.
And then it's like a little plug. And if for whatever reason yours isn't labeled, it should be. And this black is actually positive, whereas white is negative. So our black goes into red, which is a little different than normal. And then white goes into black.